Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ROG Phone 8 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer, it does not really matter. Then let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it, and tap on this pencil icon, so the edit. Let me quickly remove the photo so I can show you what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So this is what you will have. Simply tap on this a circle with a profile figure, kind of. So let's simply tap on this section and you can either take a photo, and after choosing this option your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo immediately. Or you can choose a photo from the gallery. So let's simply, at least I'd like to use this option. It does not really matter where you will complete the action. Let's find the photo and tap on it. And as you can see in this step, we can change the size and the position of this highlighted square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and then tap on save in the left upper corner. And as you can see, the photo has been immediately applied, so if you're happy with your choice, tap on OK, so the stick icon. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. You will be able to see it on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.